Do you want to find trending videos for your TikTok account? Then TikTok itself gives you options to find trending videos. So for that, just open your TikTok account and go to your profile. Once on your profile, on the top right side, there are three horizontal lines. Just click on these three horizontal lines and go to TikTok Studio. Now here you can see at the bottom, scroll down. Here there are two options. The first one is trending and the second one is recommended. You can search or explore both of these options, but in order to find the trending videos, just click on this trending section. Now here you can click on all topics. Now you can search for your interested topics. Let's say I want to search videos in entertainment, then I will click on entertainment. I can also select countries. Just simply click on this countries option and now select any country that you want videos from. That's why I will select United Kingdom. Now here you can see all the trending videos from United Kingdom are showing. So this is a way how you can find trending videos on TikTok.